Each and every year, PEI fishermen harvest over 20 million pounds of sweet maritime lobster from the coastal waters of Prince Edward Island during its 2 separate lobster seasons. Grilled and steamed, lobster can be delicious, but if you're looking to dress it up a bit, Chef Alona Daniel, head chef at Holland College Culinary Boot Camps, may have a few suggestions. Hey Alona, so tell me, what are you preparing?
Today we're broiling our lobster with a Pernod and garlic butter.
Yum!
For our recipe today, we're going to need 1 pound of softened butter, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, 2 teaspoons of cracked black pepper, 2 tablespoons chopped parsley, 1 shallot finely minced, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1 ounce of Pernod, and 6 1.5 pounds of boiled PEI lobster. Mix the ingredients for the butter until it's a fine consistency for about 20 seconds. Heat butter until melted and drizzle on your prepared lobster. Broil for 2 to 3 minutes and finish with just a little more of your Pernod garlic butter. There you have it, lobster with Pernod garlic butter sauce.
It's one thing to prepare lobster in the kitchen, but if you're craving something a little more unique, join celebrity chef Corbin Tomaszewski September 8th as he hosts PEI Fall Flavors Lobster Party on the beach. It's the perfect night. A tent right on the beach, a collage of succulent lobster dishes, great music, and a company of fellow lobster foodies. For more information on this and other Fall Flavors events, visit explorepei.com.